Every night around 2 a.m., I'd sneak into the kitchen like a silent ninja. My mission? Cake. Always cake. Just one slice, I'd tell myself. But somehow one became many. My wife started giving me weird looks. Then one morning, as I innocently poured cereal, she casually said, "So, 18 slices this week, huh?" I froze. My spoon hovered midair. How did she know? Turns out our fancy new smart fridge had a security camera. A camera that synced to her phone. I wasn't just caught, I was recorded, time-stamped, and high-def exposed. Mia in my boxers, standing like Gollum, devouring cake at 2 a.m. Now she watches the footage like it's Netflix. I'm the star of the Cake Chronicles. Moral of the story, don't trust the fridge. It's watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.